Fire Mountain Gems and Beads is proud to present stylish stringing, classy jewelry that anyone can make. This month, show that special someone you care with a Swarovski Affair. This stunning jewelry set features a triple strand necklace with Swarovski white and rosaline crystal pearls, complemented by ruby-colored bicones and elegant Baroque beads. Crystal-embellished spacer bars hug the flowing strands of pearls in a loving embrace, giving the necklace a form evoking poise and sophistication. The same sparkling spacers form the central column of these distinguished chandelier-style earrings, hung from a perfect balance ear wire and finished with ruby Baroque bead dangles. Make it as a gift or add it to your professional line of jewelry designs. This gracefully inspired jewelry set is sure to touch the heart of that someone you love. For full instructions on this and other classy jewelry that anyone can make, visit firemountaingems.com/stylish stringing.